I had my first experience with the BQ laser 5 years ago, and since then I was in love with the BQ laser. I had opportunities to treat patients with chronic pain, with acute pain, acute injuries, overuse injuries, a high efficacy tissue repair together with pain relief for those patients. The most important thing is it's very safe using BQ laser. So the treatment could be done at home by the patient himself. So the BQ laser, first of all, is no harmful technology. And patients with a chronic pain using BQ laser therapy at home, they will be more successful in the treatment because they can manage it daily, their treatment. BQ laser therapy, it's a very important technology because it's high efficacy and it's safe. So the patients could be potentialize the treatment at home.